which is unfortunate for people who want the Bitcoin to go up. I get it, but it didn't work out. Now, there is an interesting thing here that I've been paying attention to, which is so if we take a look at our liquidity indicator, we actually are going to get a blast of liquidity in April, around April 6th, I think this is. Yeah, April 6th, April 7th. We know that we're going to get this blast off of liquidity up. Let me just move this over, right? So we know this is coming, but it's coming in April. And if you'll remember, our the window of weakness here that we're in, the between February 20th and March 20th, is a time of potential weakness within the markets. So, for example, if we head back to the COVID drop, the drop in COVID that we had in 2020, the drop over here happened as of it peaked over here. What is it? February. So this is February 20th over here. And then it bottomed around March 13th. Let's call it March 17th. So between February 20th and March 20th are these periods of weakness. It doesn't mean that you're going to get a crash. It just means that if there's going to be some sort of catalyst and it happens on one of these four windows of weakness every year, then you're likely to get a big move down. And so, because we didn't get a big move up, it means there's some sort of downward pressure on liquidity. If there's an event, I could absolutely see us getting down to this 88 level, even down to the set before we move back up. And we're waiting for basically now, I'm not looking for any new high or anything like that until we get to around April, which is great for us because we can still make money in our moves. We can actually make more money that way in our leverage moves while we accumulate Bitcoin for the run up. Now, there is I don't want to go too long winded about it. I might actually just share it on my Twitter, but Raul makes a great point that he was in conversation with Michael Howe talking about
Who's Michael
when
Howe?
Michael Howe is from Cross Border Capital. He's, I believe, an analyst who's been very good at expounding the importance of liquidity, global dollar liquidity. I believe he worked for Salomon Brothers, a big firm back in the day. Basically, he's been sharing his knowledge. So the idea here is that you get dollar liquidity into the markets for a number of different reasons. And one of those reasons is China. China, which is the production arm of the American empire, our beloved empire, may it reign long and forever. What happens is that they are going through a massive debt deflation right now, just absolutely crushing,
Really?
almost to the level of the Great Depression.